break your equipment? Just moved to Plano and haven't purchased equipment yet? You need the Tool Lending Program. This program allows you to borrow tools from our Property Standards team to complete basic homework and repairs. Need to mow your lawn? We've got you covered. Those pesky weeds taking over your yard? Yep, we've got you there too. Overgrown bushes? We can even help there. We've got everything you need to tidy up your yard, and it's free to all Plano residents. To borrow some tools, just contact our Property Standards team at 972-208-8150 or email them at psdsupport@plano.gov. We'll get you the tools you need to make your lawn the best it can be. Manual labor not included with tools.